Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all traditional Indian diet plan with the help of which you'll be able to lose 5 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great weight loss happening. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. So why traditional Indian diet plan? Recently, lots of people commented me that we need something which can be taken from the kitchen itself and prepared very easily at home and whatever we basically have for our staple meals. And hence, I am here with traditional Indian diet plan with the help of which you'll be able to lose weight as well. And at the same time, you can just prepare all the recipes and everything from the kitchen. All the recipes are mentioned in this diet plan. So let's begin with our early morning drink, for which we'll take ginger turmeric tea. Recipe is here, super easy to prepare and get very effective in each and every manner. Second option, if you cannot have this tea, then you can always have ajwain or jeera water. Both of these things are very easily available in our Indian kitchen, so you can definitely pick ajwain or jeera from your kitchen and boil it for 2 minutes in 1.5 glasses of water and have it for your early morning drink. It relieves all the water retention very quickly, bloating is reduced to a very higher extent and you'll be amazed to see the weight loss result as well. Proceeding towards our breakfast options, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first one is for all the Indian households who prepare paranthas for their breakfast. You can have any of these three given parantha or roti recipes for your weight loss for the morning itself in your breakfast. Here are the complete three recipes you can follow. You can have missi roti or methi parantha, or you can have beetroot roti, or you can even have makai ki roti. Recipes are given in this video and you can check it out. Link is given in the description box below. Preparation is super easy for these recipes. Proceeding towards our second option for breakfast, which will be poha. But here is the key. We'll prepare poha in a very nutritious manner which is high in iron content, great for calcium source and super easy to prepare. And here is the complete recipe of my beetroot poha. Super easy to prepare. Beetroot is very easily available and is a fresh seasonal iron-rich source of vegetable. So you should always add beetroot wherever possible in your rotis or in your poha. With these breakfast options, you can always have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all. You can always skip sugar when it comes to our healthy drinks. So you should always consume tea or coffee without any kind of sweetener added to it. You can even add stevia if it's preferred to you or if it's available to you, but that's optional. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which is a snack between breakfast and lunch. I'll be giving you two options for this. One option is that you can have 1 cup of green tea if it's available to you. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 glass of lassi or chas, but make sure to add only black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder and no salt to it at all. No black salt as well. We'll always avoid salt in uncooked form and always use it in cooked form. So you can always skip salt in any of your drinks or in raw form. Proceeding towards our lunch option. Lunch, I'll be giving you three options. The first one is my favorite veggie pulao recipe. And here is the complete recipe of my healthy veggie pulao. I'm using here white rice. You can always use red, black or brown rice as per your own preference. Second option for a healthy traditional Indian lunch option is khichdi. Khichdi is very easily prepared at home and in Indian kitchens it's one of the most favorite lunch or dinner options when it comes to your weight loss. So you can always have khichdi, and the recipe for my three famous khichdis, moong dal khichdi, high protein khichdi and my weight loss khichdi is yet again here. Here are the recipes of my khichdis. The link is given in the description box below. You can go and check it out. The recipes are super easy to prepare, very easy to follow as well. I personally love to have moong dal khichdi because it's super easy to prepare and is only a 5 minutes recipe. You can enjoy it with curd or raita, or you can even have it with some chutney. And now let's proceed towards our last lunch option for traditional Indian diet plan, which will be paneer bhurji along with some side of salad. Now when it comes to your weight loss, you need to have some of the portion control and at the same time some carb resistance as well. And here is the recipe of my high protein paneer bhurji. Super easy to prepare and it takes only 10 minutes to prepare this recipe, and highly recommended for immense weight loss and to achieve your weight loss results very quickly. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first option is fruits. Now, you should always consume fruits at least for one meal of your day. So we'll have it for a mid-evening snack, which will be any seasonal fruit that you can have, which is available in your kitchens. Apple, banana, coconut, pomegranate, whatever is available to you, you can have it, a good full bowl of it for your mid-evening snack. If you cannot have this, then you can always have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any type. And now let's proceed towards our healthy Indian traditional dinner options, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first one should always be soup. Considering that this diet plan is for weight loss, so we'll always keep dinner as a very light option, which will be soup. And here is a recipe of my healthy weight loss soup. In a pan, I'm adding here some oil. I'm using here olive oil. You can add any oil as per your own preference. To this, I'm adding some green chilies, some ginger. To this, I'm adding raw tomatoes. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm adding here some carrots. These are red carrots because it's available in the season. You can add beetroot as well. I'm adding here 1 beetroot to this. Along with that, I'm adding some green French beans. To this, I'm adding 2 to 3 cashews. And along with that, I'll be adding in this coriander. For seasoning, I'm using here black pepper, freshly grounded, and along with that, some water. Let it simmer for at least 10 minutes, and once it's done, just blend it out. You can even strain the soup if you want to, if you don't like it chunky enough. I like it chunky, so I'm having it this way itself. And a delicious tomato soup is ready. Very easy to prepare and very great for weight loss. Keeps you fuller for at least entire night, and you'll be amazed to see the weight loss results as well. Second weight loss Indian traditional dinner option is chila. You can have any chila like besan chila, suji chila, ragi chila, any chila that you can have for your weight loss. Will be amazed to see the results. Zucchini oats chila, the recipe is here, and besan chila. I add lots and lots of veggies to my chila, especially for kids if you're preparing it. Add lots and lots of veggies to it, and you won't feel any taste of it as well. Keep the size or the portion of chilas very limited at night. You can have 2 chilas, not more than that. Along with that, you can have curd or raita as per your own preference, or you can even have it only with chutney. And delicious traditional Indian dinner is prepared for weight loss. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss. Always have your bedtime drink before going to bed if you want good relaxing sleep, and at the same time 8 hours of sleep for weight loss is very important. We'll be having 1 cup of chamomile tea. If chamomile tea is not available to you, then you can always buy it. The link is given in the description box below. It helps you with a very calm sleep, and also you wake up very fresh in the morning. If you are suffering from any kind of sleeping disorders, then you can always try this tea for weight loss as well, and to give you good sleep as well. If you cannot have this, you can always have 1 cup of ajwain tea or jeera tea before going to bed. Even soft tea is very great for your skin benefits and as well as for your acidity reflux as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. Water is very important when it comes to your weight loss because it gives you good hydration, removes all the water retention, and also removes all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. If you want personalized weight loss diet plans, then you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on this given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you in each and every manner. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks and diet plans and what I eat in a day recipes and reels. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.